Well, with all this amazing design and function, Elon Musk and his great engineers have engineered a plug that has a 90-degree angle on it. So when you try shoving it through the 3/4 inch hole that they expect you to, guess what? It doesn't want to go. So now I'm going to widen this hole. Not the outer one because it's got the cap that's got to go on it, but the plywood on the inside. And I'm going to try to push it through here first, then the plywood, and not try to do it all in one go. Wish me luck. Now I'm back here to show you what my solution is. So 2 seconds ago we found out that the supplied bit, 3/4 inch bit that comes from Tesla, isn't big enough to get the plug through that they supply. Right, I could just squeeze it through the outer plug because it's plastic, or the outer hole because it's plastic. Right, because look at this fantastic design here of a plug. Fantastic. Why not straight? Anyway, it's not my call. I'm just there to install. So the hole in there is 3/4 inch. I'm gonna widen that out with a, you see that, 1.25 inch, 1.125 inch. And then hopefully that helps me get it through the next portion, the wood, the plywood. But we'll see. I'm trying to remove as least amount of things as possible here. Okay, that worked pretty good. Let's hopefully this fits through. There we end. Fucking bad joke. Sorry, viewer discretion is advised. Okay, I got it in. Okay, now we're gonna go on the other side and see if we can get it through without drilling a bigger hole on the other side.